I've got a cool new tool to share with you guys.
Cmd+AI.
You've heard of Notebook LM, right? Google Notebook LM. If you're a student, you'll know this, where you've got like so many sources. You've got like a PDF, you've got like a YouTube video, you're learning something, and you want to kind of bring all of that stuff together and just talk about it, query about it, like create documents, create charts and diagrams and whatever. Well, Notebook LM is actually the tool for that. So I was just doing a bunch of market research and I pulled together loads of resources. You can pull in like web, you can pull in drives, you can pull in even YouTube videos and stuff like that. What was really nice is you can generate a podcast that pulls together and understands all the information. Really cool tool, even flashcards and stuff. For me, this is a great study tool, right? But it's Google. And if you're outside of the EU, they're probably like sucking up all of your data. Well, I stumbled across this, basically a free clone of this tool. It's called Open Notebook. I wonder if this actually has it does have a website. And it's essentially the same thing. You've got a podcast generator, AI-powered notes, privacy control, and it does everything that you want from they've renamed it Gemini Notebook. I've just seen there. It's got everything you need. You need Docker installed and you need it running, which I'm going to get in the background here. Easiest way to do it is just to copy this and paste it into your terminal, and it will just install it anywhere. And it's essentially everything that you want. You basically can set up a bunch of sources. You can create a new notebook. Let's call it, I don't know, Command AI research. And then in here, I can add a bunch of sources. And these sources could be a YouTube video, it could be some PDFs, it could be, I could hand type it, do whatever. Let's actually just add the website. And that's just processing the website, then pulling all the information down off the website. If it was a YouTube video, it'd actually download the transcript as well. And what's quite cool then, if we go to models here, you can then choose a model to, or at least a provider to be able to configure. So I'm going to add, this is how to get something local running up. I've got OMLX and 1, 2, 3, 4 is the API key. OMLX is, if I start the server, running on, in fact I'll copy paste it, 8006. This is OMLX, and you just basically search your local models. If let's do Inkling Small, if I load that, I should be able to add that now. And then select it as a model. Add your OpenAI API key or whatever. Go into your notebooks, add all of your sources. You can create notes, you can query it. Really, really cool study tool, and it's free. So I don't know, that's my tool of the week. I'll probably do a more in-depth tutorial on my own channel, but I think this is a really cool way to get a pretty good tool, just open source, running on your own computer. This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Command AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.
Cmd+AI.